Hello girls, let's see how to tame your baby hairs. Baby hairs are growing hairs around your face area. They are really damage to your personality when you are presenting yourself. Today I'm going to show you a homemade formula that you can use yourself. Many people used wax for taming hair. I'm not going to use here wax. Really beneficial to use natural ingredients rather than using chemicals for your hair. They cause really difficult when I'm presenting myself. Today I'm going to use aloegel. It's 99% aloegel. Please use the transparent one because it's pure, and this is olive oil. If you have castor oil, please use them also. At the moment I don't have. And vitamin E, 4 tablets of vitamin E. Take 1 teaspoon of aloegel. You can see it's very pure and transparent. Add that one into the cup. And the olive oil. Oops, it's spilled a little bit. Try to take a teaspoon. And also 4 tablets of vitamin E. And I previously said if you have castor oil, please use because it enhances your baby hair's growth. And you can see this is like a cream, it's white color. Then mix thoroughly. After mixing thoroughly, you can see the color is white. It becomes like a white cream. I think it's beneficial to use natural ingredients rather than using chemicals for your hair. Take a toothbrush and try to take a full of toothbrush and as you can see in this video. Now you can see it's really nice. Say wow, you can see it tame your baby hairs very neatly. I think this is a big terrible problem for the girls who have more baby hairs. I think you can try this one, and I can guarantee that it increases your growth of the baby hairs. Please use castor oil. At the moment I don't have castor oil, because of that I didn't use here. After using this, you don't want to use any wax or hairsprays, anything to tame your baby hairs. See, this is the magic you can do at your home. It's really neat to your baby hairs. Wow, it's nice. You can tie your hair up as you like. There's no more problem with your baby hairs. Aloe gel, olive oil, vitamin E and the castor oil, they are really beneficial for your hair. If you see, I can tie my hair and no baby hairs anymore. It's really nice to see you. Then I'm going to show you how to tie your hair in upward, it really not cause any problems anymore. See, I tie my hair. And no baby hairs anymore. I think you are really enjoy my video. Please try it. I can super guarantee it. If you are success, please comment below and like my video and share. Please subscribe. Stay tuned. Press the bell icon for new videos as soon as possible.